Okay.
9:30.
You left at 9 o'clock and you got there at 9:30? Okay.
30 minutes to get there.
And it was Jim, John, and Joe, and Tom.
Tom.
Yeah. And so we got there fast.
And we got there fast. There was, there were no cars in the parking lot even.
Did you have fun?
We had she won a bingo, I won a bingo.
Awesome.
We won the slots, both of us. And then I went to get breakfast for us.
Mm-hmm.
So I went to Fat Burger. And she made me a nice breakfast. I told her I'm eating with my partner, so I wanted to cut it in half. And she says, try our new sweet potato fries. You'll like them. They're not greasy or nothing. So I did. So I got the breakfast. We were so full from the breakfast from Fat Burger, we couldn't eat, but we had $25 to spend.
What'd you do
for
with
food.
It?
So we brought home a prime rib.
Oh, so you have it for tomorrow.
So we had that yesterday.
You ate prime rib and breakfast yesterday?
No, we didn't have breakfast yesterday.
Yesterday, the next day. I got it.
Yesterday was Wednesday.
Yeah.
So when we came home from the center, and I won 3 bingos at the center. They were going to throw me out. She won 2 bingos. The place was like going nuts
ready
with us.
To get rid of you.
We were leaving. Everybody said, you win, you win, you win. I said, yeah, what did we go for? We just won a lot of money this week, that's all.
That's good. You had fun.
And Angie and Bob are picking us up today.
Uh-huh.
At 3 o'clock. They don't know. Bob's president of the HOA.
They have a meeting.
And he has a meeting. So he's going to call, Angie will call us when they leave to come here.
Where are you going?
Because they're going to drive us in our car to eat.
Oh, okay. Well, that sounds like fun. Very busy senior citizens.
We don't want to drive there. They know we don't want to drive all the way over to their house. So Bob said, we'll come here, I'll park, we'll go in your car, and I'll drive, and that's what we're going to do.
Fun. Sounds like a scam.
Yeah. We could be home early, right before it's dark.
Good. Well, that'll be nice. Where are you going to go with them?
To eat.
Oh.
We don't know. They haven't decided where we're eating yet.
Oh, you're going to go to a casino?
They talk Denny's, and they talk this.
You going to go to a casino?
We might stop at the new one by
the
their
Desert
house.
Diamond?
They don't have any dinner there.
Oh, so you have to eat somewhere,
so
then
we have
go
to
gamble.
eat first, and if we go gamble, we'll gamble for an hour or two.
Right.
And that's it. That's all they could spend.
Sounds like a full day. We better get shopping, huh?
The what?
We better get shopping so you can take a nap.
I slept well last night. I got up when it was already 4 o'clock, and I went to bed at 7:30. So I'm fine. I'm in good shape. Don't I look like I'm in good shape?
Awesome for your age.
Awesome.
Okay,
I'm 85 and I still have all my teeth. That's a good sign.
That's a good sign?
I think so. And every time I go to the dentist, he calls somebody in and says, look at this woman's teeth. And I said, what's wrong with them? He says, nothing. They're perfect.
See?
I only go in to get them clean.
All right. We're going shopping. Let's go.
Let's go. Here's your list.